Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your online presence with Norton Security, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by introducing the concept of online presence and its importance in today's digital world. Understand the threats that can compromise your online security. Research various cybersecurity solutions available in the market. Choose Norton Security as a reliable option for protecting your online activities. Download and install Norton Security from the official Norton website. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. Create a Norton account to manage your security settings effectively. Activate your Norton subscription by entering the provided activation code. Familiarize yourself with the user interface of Norton Security. Run an initial security scan to identify any existing vulnerabilities on your device. Review the scan results and take necessary actions to resolve any detected issues. Set up automatic scans to ensure your device is regularly checked for security threats. Enable real-time protection to monitor your online activities continuously. Customize your firewall settings to suit your specific security needs. Use the VPN feature to protect your internet connection, especially on public Wi-Fi networks. Activate web protection to block malicious websites and phishing attempts. Utilize identity theft protection tools offered by Norton for added security. Engage in regular software updates to maintain security against new threats. Monitor the security dashboard to stay informed about your online safety status. Educate yourself about best practices for online safety beyond security software. Remember to back up important data regularly as an additional precaution. Review your privacy settings on social media and other online accounts. Consider enabling two-factor authentication on your accounts for extra security. Stay vigilant about suspicious emails and messages that may compromise your data. With Norton Security, you can significantly enhance your online safety. Implement these steps to protect your digital identity and maintain a secure online presence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.